abs coming down, just rolling down to the floor. Actually, no, we do this one. I love this one. Yeah, because I won't do this under the tape. So, hands forward, arching your spine over, and then just roll back, exhaling, rolling back. Pull your shoulders back and down. And then inhale, coming up, as if you're curling over a ball. Do that again. Shoulders, stabilize the shoulders. Exhale, coming back, rolling through the spine. And then inhale, don't like this profile bit. Don't lose that tummy. Inhale, coming over. One more time. Rolling back. Actually, do it 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale. Rolling over the ball. Arching and relaxing here. Do that one more time. Instructor thing, one more time. Exhale. Inhale, coming back over the ball. Okay, so this is, you've done this one a fair bit, so this is one we're going to change. Do the 4-part one. So exhale back. Inhale, lifting up, holding it here. Now, I don't want you sitting forward. Keep a little bit of pressure on your abs. So you're reaching up, but you're at an angle. Exhale, coming back. And then inhaling, coming up and over the imaginary ball. Relaxing down. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale, rolling back. Inhale, lift. Straighten the back a little bit, but leaning back, stretch out to the fingertips. Exhale, coming back, curling. And inhale, coming over the ball. Exhale, straight away, coming back, shoulders stabilized. Inhale, lifting up, straightening the back, leaning back, curling as we exhale. Palms are coming down here and coming over the ball on an inhale. So in case you sort of didn't get the hands right, just exhale, keep going. Exhale, palms are down. Inhale, lifting up, palms are facing each other. Exhale, palms are down. And inhale, palms are facing each other as we go forward. Okay, last one. Exhaling back. Come back a little bit lower if you can. Reaching up but staying back a bit. Exhale. And curling over. Good. Awesome one. Okay, rolling back. And we'll do the hundreds, even though I hate them to death. But I won't do them in that other one. Okay, so but hundreds are actually good for you. So you're lifting the feet up. Remember we imprint the spine. Remember we got the little curve in there. Okay, press the spine down. So pressing it down, imprinting, lifting the knees up. Try to keep them together. Shoulders lift, that starting position. Okay, hands are here at your side. Fingertips long. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't do that while I'm talking, but that's what you're doing, okay? So it's inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So as you keep doing that, you can stay like this and keep the shoulders up, working from the shoulders, or you go inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Little tiny breaths. And to finish, bring it in. That's probably about, not 100s, but 150. Bring it in and roll it in. So, as you do this, only stick, they say 100 because you do 100 of them. Okay, so each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 is 10. So as instructors, we sort of normally count them on our fingers. We're teaching them to people. Okay, but what I want you to do is start here with this. Do 100s, you can do that, no problem. Keep the shoulders up, really try to focus on them. At the end, have a big stretch. Okay, but as you get better, I want you to be doing these. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go straight up, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want, but I really think it's better 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bit of an angle, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do 10 of those with the legs out. Okay, and as you get better, they come lower, but always try to keep the spine printed into the back. Okay, enough talking. Okay, next exercise, just lying down, one leg in, one leg out. Lift your shoulders up, okay, and we're just going to do single leg stretch. Bring it in. You can hold it here and try to bring it into your chest, or just hold it anywhere. Keep the shoulders off the floor. Just do a couple of these. Exhale as you go away. Straight into obliques. So hands are by your ears. Pushing it out. Just do 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you should start to feel it, hopefully. Tuck in, knees into the chest, and then just let the legs go out. Give the neck a rest, lie down on the floor, stretch your fingers, point your toes. I always say, so try to grow 2 inches taller. Try to grow 2 inches taller. And then just relax. Okay, what else will we do? Let me see. What other fun things can we do from here? Okay, let's do the hard little ab sequence, okay? Yeah, it sounds horrible, doesn't it? Okay, knees are up, shoulders are up, hands here, and all you're going to go, actually, start on the floor. What am I talking about? Start on the floor here, keep the knees up. You lift, inhale, and lift and down. Okay, so it's kicking, so lift and kick. Lift, kick, kick, lift again, and come down to the floor. Okay, got it? If you feel like, oh, that's hurting my back, you go lift, tap, tap, lift, and down. Okay, so you've got options, or if you don't want to, you just lift, hold, 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 and down. Okay, but the main goal is to try to do the kick. So we lift, kick, kick, lift, and down. Okay, going to do 4 more of them. Lift, kick, kick, lift, and down. Really lift on that second time. Lift, as soon as the legs go away, usually you sort of start to fall a bit. So lift, squeeze, and down. And 2 more, lift, kick, kick, lift high, and down. And 1 more, up, kick, kick, lift, and down. You're going to hate me. Legs go up, flex the feet, reach side to side. 1, 2, 3. You're going to do 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. 10, 9, 8. Reach. Lost count. I think that's 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Hold, hold, hold. Reach towards your toes. 4. Flex the feet. 3, 2, and 1. And that hurt me, so yeah.